All right. What is up, everyone? Happy Wednesday. Hope we had a good trading day. A couple fired off early in the morning. Let's get into it. Let's get into it first with Etsy. Like I said, 3 on the day. I've been pounding the table on this one for a couple days now. Keeps trying to give the setup. Gave the setup today. Boom. Goes up, takes that 2-up week. Takes the week 2-up continuation, then falls back out of force. So we're going to continue to look for this. Okay, now you've got stuck up in here. So if it can get through here, I will be looking to get long. I'll be looking for a 15 or 30 to add back to my position again tomorrow. If you were long AMAT, this is what we were looking for, right? We had the big daily expansion above this broadening formation. Now you'd love to see this thing just keep pushing on through and get right into this last daily guy up here would be the first target I'd be looking for. May have some, it could go up, 2 down day here. So it could kind of work its way with a couple reversal days or inside days to set that up, but you'd like to see that get up into there. MDLZ, this one had to be quick. Pops right off the open, first 15er, boom, comes back, retests that 3-up day. So you could have taken this for a little one, but again, then you got to get out and failed the day. So off the watch list, just wanted to show you guys, there was one trading opportunity, then it takes the inside 15. If you took this inside 50, took this 15 up, got long right here, take it. You see this inside 15 go to the downside, I would just stop out. You got 70 cents. The contracts move decent, so you could have made some money real quick, but then you take this inside 15 to the downside, I would get out. And again, if you don't fully exit the position up here, you just maybe take half off. You can try and re-add here and see what happens with you. But then again, you got the 3 on the 15er, takes it down, boom. Tries it again and fails. So trickier one today off the watch list, but just want to show you guys a way that you could have played that one. Then these guys, gonna keep them on the watch list. Even though VST is already 3 on the monthly here, you still got NRG, which is 2. The charts have been loading slow today. I don't know what's going on. If it's other people's think or swims too, but during the day I was having some real trouble loading these charts up. A little frustrating, but I digress. All right, so you've still got the 2 down green month here on NRG. So you've got the inside day. You had the 2 down inside day. Love to see him take it back to the upside and finish off this month. You got about $10 to go, so could get a real nice move here by the end of the month. And then VST actually went 2 down on the day, but again, I'm watching these 2 in tandem, NRG and VST, watching those 2 in tandem to continue back onto the upside. All right, let's get into today's watch list. Some decent setups here. So you've got AMD. I know we keep trying. Gonna keep trying. Gonna keep it on the watch list. Just gotta keep waiting. Be patient. If the setup comes, it's gonna go. So tested that monthly open once again, closes a doji. But again, you take this day 2 up. I'm still looking for a move to take that 2 down week to the upside here and then keep moving on through these. You got an inside week here, so get on up to here. Gonna keep it on the watch list. eBay. Our friend came back, and again, what is it doing? I mean, you have an inside day. Got the 2 down green month, testing that monthly open again. Now you've got the 1, 2 down, 2 up week potential setting up. You've got the inside day holding the month, and again, you are just lining the pivots up to get an explosive move. So keeping on the watch list will be my first watch of the day, most likely. This is where I'll have my main focus. Love to see this take the inside to the upside and you can get $2. You can get $2 in a flash. Look at that. 1, 2, you're up at 92, just like that. So keeping on the watch list. Then we got Joby. Another one here, still inside week, so not the best, but you got the 2 down green month, still holding above that monthly open, and then what are you doing for it again? Lining the boys up. Hey, who wants to get stopped out? These guys do. Line up those pivots. You get the picture. Boom. Takes that 2-up day. You're looking for an explosive day right through there. Take that 2-up week, continue on through that monthly. RTX, here's another one. Inside day. Holding that monthly open. Holding that weekly 2-up in force. Inside day, holding the monthly open. Again, looking for the inside day to the upside to get moving on through here. Again, not much left on the monthly. But again, these the 160s for next week, when I was looking on Tuesday, I think they were trading at like $1.50. So not awfully priced, but again, you never know where it's going to go if it's going to all-time highs. But the contracts, I mean, that's kind of on the cheaper side for $160 stock. So we'll be looking there if it can take that inside day to the upside. Then you've got SMCI, another one of our friends here. Keeping it on the watch list. Again, you got the inside week. I understand that. Would have loved to come and see him take this down here, tick down, take the 2 down, and flush all of these guys out, and then come on back up. But either way, you have the 2 down, 2 up setup here. And we got a big daily here. So you've taken the lows out here. You'd like to see it come and get back on up here and take that 2 up week back to the upside. Still got that nice daily broadening formation look up in here to try and get up into these guys. So we'll be on the watch list into tomorrow. URBN. This one from last week, 3 down, 3, 2 down, green on the month. You've got the still inside week, but you've got the double inside day. And again, lining up pivots here. Keep your eyes on some of these. If one of these could really get moving, people. I mean, you wouldn't even need that much. You could take maybe one contract and you could get just a possible rip around some of these bad boys. These pivots just stacked up again, just waiting to get taken out here. So the double inside day, if it takes that double inside day to the upside, try it. You got to try it. If these start breaking, you have to try them. Don't be scared. Don't hesitate. If these break, take them. If it doesn't work, stop out real quick. Use it real quick. These should go, and these should start going immediately if they're going to go. So with these pivots lined up, man, this could be, I mean, you got eBay, you've got Joby, you've got SMCI with some pivots too, and here you've got URB, and this could be, some of these are going to go. If one of them goes, 2 of them go, get long. You could have a really good day. VRT, another one. Bottom of the little mini broadening formation here. Was already 2 up on the week, fell out of force, but now you've got falling into that. This is what I wanted SMCI to do. This is kind of what I want SMCI to take the lows of the gap up. Did not do it, so I potentially could say that's stronger. Either way, you've got this bottom here to come back through the 1, 2 down, 2 up day to flush on up and go through the 1, 2 down and green month to get the other side of there. ZIM said I was going to keep this one on the watch list. Tried to trade it, was a little funky. Gapped up, tried it when it took the lows in here. I think I took this inside 15 or after I had taken these lows, went up, kind of got stopped out right away, and then just choppy day. But keeping this one on the watch list, the options, the 1017s were, they were cheap. They were, I want to say like 75 cents. So you got a month out and they're 75 cents. And if you get moving through this 3 on the monthly here, highs, what's that high there? 1836. I mean, those 15 calls, if they can get there by October 17th, will be worth $3.50. So you've got yourself, what is that, 4 or 5x quick math? Either way, worth taking, especially if you're going to buy yourself a little bit of time if you can get moving through these guys. Could have a real nice return there. That is all I've got. Let's watch tomorrow, man. This could be a good day to get some trades in. So we will see what sets up. Hopefully some of them go in force and take action. Don't hesitate. If it doesn't work, stop out. If it starts working, stay in and stay long. Don't panic when you get in the trade. All right, have a good one, everyone. Talk tomorrow.